Welcome to the Secrets of Money channel. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 highly profitable project ideas that don't require a lot of capital, but have excellent profit. First, a packaging project. The idea of this project is to package a food product in small packages such as a kilo, half a kilo, and then redistribute it. There are no limits to the products that need to be packaged. Packaging and distribution of nuts, spices, legumes, vegetables, and many other foodstuffs. The capital of the project is average. It is enough to buy the bulk goods, packaging requirements such as bags, some simple machines, and a good car suitable for distribution. It is possible to expand the project, open several branches, and extend the distribution to larger locations. The packaging sector is one of the successful projects that generate high returns on investment, above 30%. However, the strength of the success of this project depends on the availability of good marketing skills and experience in managing the work from the packaging method to the quality of the food product. Second, vending machines. Vending machines represent a small but profitable business opportunity. These machines have become a must in many places. One of the advantages of this project is that no sales experience is required for its success, as the machine markets itself with its products and through its location. The location of the machine is the main pillar of the project's success. Vending machines are used for many different products such as coffee, beverages, candy, ice cream. They are used in many places by health institutions, colleges, hotels, parks, shopping malls. Third, sanitation services company. All large stores, businesses, and institutions have one thing in common: they need to clean regularly in order to look excellent in front of their customers and partners, which creates an excellent business opportunity with a low initial investment and a quick return on investment. The market demand for this service is high, there is no inventory or warehousing, the growth potential is excellent. It does not require special skills or technical expertise, all compelling reasons to start this type of business. Marketing such a project requires building a strong network of relationships and being on the path to creating a successful and profitable project. Fourth, a perfume company. Perfumes are in high demand in society, and everyone uses perfume on a daily basis and for all occasions, even people with limited income, which makes the perfume industry one of the most successful cosmetic sectors, with annual revenues of several $billion. This project first requires learning all the secrets and intricacies of this industry. It does not require a lot of capital, and one of its advantages is that it needs simple work equipment that does not necessitate a large space and does not require labor, especially at its beginning. Fifth, a track food project. A track food project requires only a small capital and generates excellent income. The implementation of this project is no longer limited to those who are looking for a source of income to live on, but rather it is taken by storm by professionals. And this project needs clean and good food to achieve the desired results and a mobile truck suitable for the project. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video will inspire you to start your business.